Welcome to today's video and welcome to an amazing morning in Tel Aviv. It's my last day here and I thought I'd check out a place called the Bike Cafe. A guy I know called Arnon runs it and I meant to meet up with him when he was last in London, so now I'm in his city. So it makes sense. Should be around here somewhere.
All of these feelings I know, I just gotta let it go. Keeping it low, keeping it all on the low. You say to just take it slow, you just need time, you need to really unwind. I'm just trying to make you mine, it'll be fine, I promise it'll be right. I just spent all in my mind, yeah. I wouldn't mind if you were mine and so much more.
Big place actually, way bigger than I thought. Arnon actually runs his own bike brand out of here. Deadly stuff. They do these fixed gear frames made out of magnesium. Pretty unique material to make a bike out of. And crazy paint jobs going on as well. How's it going, man?
Good, man.
Good to finally see you. You've got some pretty cool stuff going on here. What are these? Are these collaborations with artists then?
Yeah, this one is it's a collab with Diaz. He's a street artist. He's a friend. We tried to collab for many times before, and it was like a great chance to have this collaboration. And I told him to send me some visuals, gave him the sizes of the tubes and everything. I printed it on the stickers and just put it on the frame after I got some paint all over it, like the yellow and the blue and the pink and everything. And then removed all the stickers, all the colors underneath were exposed.
Oh, nice. So it's like a stencil kind of thing. Yeah.
Exactly. It took me a week just to paint it, so it was
Pain in the ass.
yeah. I'm not gonna do it again ever in my life.
What about that one? How was that painted? Is that actually painted?
Yeah, it's oil. I gave it to an artist, to an Israeli artist who specializes on dot works. He did the same as it does on a canvas. He did it on a magnesium frame, and came out really nice.
Too nice to use.
Yeah.
All of these are magnesium as well. Magnesium's a bit of a weird material to use for a frame.
Yeah,
I've never heard of it before. But what's the property? Why did you go with magnesium?
It's very light and very flexible. It feels like it's very soft, so it's very nice to ride on. I'm using tubes that are oval. Do some manipulations on the down tube to make it a lot more stiffer, but it's like combines the stiffness and the softness, and it's like magic.
I really miss having a fixed gear. Cool. Can't complain. This is a beautiful bike as well.
Yeah.
Like during the tour, we went to this lookout point in the Sea of Galilee, and some lady goes, "I thought it was an advert for Coca-Cola." It does look like a Coke can, right?
Yeah. So I heard you have a throat ache or something.
Yeah, I've got a bit of a sore throat.
Well, I have a medicine, the perfect medicine for you. It's called an arak. It's a drink, alcoholic drink. It has it's a therapeutic. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Grandmothers uses the drink. They put on the baby's tummy. Ashkelon.
L'chaim.
L'chaim.
I'm cured. Was this the head of the last guy that worked here? Didn't work hard enough, clearly.
Yeah. You have to love bikes and to know how to make coffee. And if you don't know how to make coffee, you're out.
What are you doing here?
I want to see you, man.
Have you recovered yet?
I'm still tired. Throat hurts a little bit.
You caught it off me.
I think it's you, it's me.
The desert.
It's a lot of also physical and mental energy. You know. You can see my tan lines.
So this sore throat we've got. It's actually commonly known as desert pisdetia. I don't want to give it to people on the plane.
You have to stay here. Pisdiet's in Box Hill.
Is that what we're doing next?
Yes. Pisdiet's suffering with Francis.
Take care, man. Lovely to meet you. So really cool I could check out Arnon's shop. Really nice little space he's got, and really cool that they're making their own bikes as well. Always worth it checking out small businesses like that. So if you're in Tel Aviv, Bike Cafe. Now I need to just head back to Kfir's, pack up the bike, and get going. I've got a plane to catch. Might try and get the drone up before. Someone in the comments was asking if you're allowed to fly a drone over here in Israel. They basically just have guidelines, not laws. So as long as you're sensible with it, you can get some pretty cool shots, even in the city. Right, I'm leaving this bike lane now, camera away. Traffic here is a bit crazy. I was feeling a little bit ropey during the tour of Pizdets. Just been to the doctors. Turns out I've got a chest infection and maybe tonsillitis. And now maybe everyone who was on my flight does as well. Needless to say, I'm going to take some time to rest. I wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who watched the last few videos. All of the guys who rode with me during the Tour of Pizdets. They all helped organise it, and that was hands down some of the best riding, best camaraderie ever. None of us are ever going to forget that ride. I'm back at work this week. Our new team kit has dropped, so if I'm well enough and the antibiotics are working, I'm going to head in tomorrow. I think Jam HQ is still in the same place. We'll find out tomorrow. Check out the new team kit and catch up with what they've been doing. I'm now going to sit on this sofa and fall asleep. Goodbye for now.